Yeah, hi guys. Today we have seen the DHCP, how the DORA process will get and how the IP address given to the PCs. Okay. Now we can open the GNS3, then we can check the how IP address will be allocated to the devices. Okay. Now that's why you have to take one router, that is Cisco C7200. I'm taking one switch. Taking one router and one switch. I'm taking one PC, and now we can see the DHCP DORA process. Okay. Now I will connect these PCs. This I will connect all these. Now I have to open. I'll check. I'll take one more PC and I'll connect to the switch. Okay. Now I will run the all devices. Then I will open the console for all devices. Then we will configure on router in the DHCP server. That's why it will work. Okay. Now in the router we will configure the DHCP pool. So that's why DHCP pool consists of DHCP and consists of IP addresses. So IP address will give the dynamically through DHCP server to PC. Okay. Now I'll configure the terminal of router 1. Go to the interface of 0 by 0. This. So I will give IP address 192.162.1.10, 255.255.255.0. We'll give the subnet mask. Then I will now shut down as terminal always. Then I'll give exit. Okay. Now see interface fast return it's set to up. Okay. Now we can create the DHCP pool. DHCP pool. We can create a LAN network. Okay. Network 192.168. No, 162.1.1. Then default router will give the DNS server. We can also give the DNS server and you can exit the terminal. Okay. DHCP excluded. I'll share the all code in the description. Okay. Exit all this. Then we'll go to before we'll run to we'll check show IP. Before we'll not any IP address assigning to PC1 and PC2 also we'll check show IP. PC2 consists of no IP. So then we'll see WireShark captcha PC1 to switch. Okay. Now we'll configure that. We'll give the DHCP. Then we'll check how the DORA process will get down. See in the left side, it's a WireShark captcha. It's running for PC1 to switch, and after clicking DHCP, it will give the DORA process discover offer request and acknowledgement. In the left side in the WireShark captcha, you can see all things. Okay. Now first DHCP discover will be generated. See DHCP in the application layer, DHCP discover packet will be generated. In the transport layer, UDP protocol will be generated on source port and destination port. We all see in the last previous class in the theoretical model. Now we can see in the real-time scenario how that UDP protocol will be generated on source port, destination port. In the network layer, on the source IP is 0.0.0, destination IP is 255.255.255.255, and in the data link layer, on the source IP is the PC1 MAC IP. You can see the PC1 MAC IP here, 6800. See the same MAC IP address. Check. Double 66800, and you can see the destination MAC address is the broadcast MAC address, and DHCP offer comes from server to the client, and see in the transport layer, source port is 67, it's come to server, and destination port is 68. Okay, see DHCP offer gives the IP address. Okay, it will offer the IP address 192.162.1.1. okay, it will offer an IP address. After that, DHCP acknowledgement packet, DHCP request packet sends to the client to the server. Okay, see here the client is 0.0.0, and it will request the offer that will provided in the offer packet. So that's why it will requesting. So that's why it consists of 0.0.0, and destination IP is 255.255.255, and finally acknowledgement packet. Acknowledgement packet consists of, in the application layer, acknowledgement DHCP acknowledgement will be generated. Okay, in the transport layer, source port and destination port. Then coming to the IP network layer, it will give the IP address. Okay, then after that, it will, in the data link layer, it will add source MAC and destination MAC. Destination MAC is the router's MAC address. Okay, and DHCP server address. Okay, this is the DHCP server. Okay, that's it, guys. In the next class, we can see the TCP IP model and TCP three-way handshake, and also we'll see the DNS resolution. Okay, thank you.